Run. I like to run fast at the park. Walk. We walk to school every day. Jump. She can jump high on the trampoline. Eat. I eat an apple for a snack. Talk. Let's talk about our favorite games. Sleep. I go to sleep when it gets dark. Read. I love to read fun stories. Dance. We dance to our favorite songs. Sing. I sing along with the radio. Swim. I swim in the pool on hot days. Climb. He climbs trees in the backyard. Drive. My dad drives us to the beach. Cook. Mom cooks yummy food for dinner. Clean. I clean my room every Saturday. Play. We play soccer after school. Study. I study my homework at the table. Think. I think about what to draw next. Laugh. We laugh at funny jokes. Cry. She cries when she is sad. Smile. I smile when I see my friends. Listen. I listen to my teacher in class. Touch, I touch the soft puppy. Feel, I feel happy when I play outside. See, I see the stars at night. Hear, I hear birds singing in the morning.